This video covers 99% of the tricks you need to get any Android phone fixed in less than a minute. Please, after watching this video and you gain insight from it, please follow for more. Let's go.
Discover 20 essential phone repair tips from Dongxi Tech Solutions. Start with a soft reset. It fixes 90% of glitches. Use 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean boards. Water is a no-go. If a phone won't charge, check the charging port pins for dirt or misalignment. Ghost touches? Remove cheap screen protectors. Test battery health with a multimeter. Many dead phones just need a power supply. For charging issues, consider replacing the charging IC. Wi-Fi problems? Reflow or replace antenna contacts. If there's no display but the phone vibrates, inspect the backlight circuit. Random restarts? Look for shorted capacitors using freeze spray. For water damage, don't power it on, clean and dry first. Use UV light to spot moisture residue. Fingerprint issues? Replace the sensor or update firmware. Overheating? Check the power IC or thermal paste. Lines on the display? It's often the connector. Use tweezers with rubber grips for delicate board work. If volume buttons fail, inspect the flex cable. For SMD repairs, a microscope is crucial. Need data recovery? Heat the CPU for a quick boot. For complex chip replacements, a BGA rework station is essential. Finally, document every repair step to build trust and protect yourself.